Hello, I'm Richard Hall and I'm the Chairman of Zenith Global. The purpose of this short video is to introduce our extended consulting services across the full business cycle. Let's imagine a business cycle in 4 sections: unlocking opportunity, creating consumer demand, managing customer supply, and engaging stakeholders. Zenith Global has focused on unlocking opportunity in the food and beverage industry for 30 years with particular strength in water, beverages and dairy. We start with research, reports and conferences to seek out opportunity and plan strategy. We then move on to consulting solutions across commercial projects, water environment, manufacturing and operations. We can also support work on product development and market entry. Our new network of expert associates allows us to cover the rest of the business cycle with a group of specialist consultants with international director-level experience at major companies. Michael Roberts, our managing associate, will now show you how.
Thank you, Richard. Our business cycle starts at any point and relates to almost any subject. Using sustainability as our subject, I hope to show you how our network of associates has the experience and expertise to cover your consulting needs.
Richard has shared with you 6 areas where Zenith consultants unlock opportunity. I would like to introduce 30 experienced associates to consult you in 30 more areas on the business cycle. We can support you with a new recipe and/or more viable packaging designs that improve consumer connection. We can offer predictive twin expertise that enables you to test your solution before you invest. Moving to the second quadrant of creating consumer demand, we have associates with specific expertise to help you implement innovation and integrate M&A. Our portfolio consultant works with our industry data analysts to help your marketing teams to win and secure competitive advantage. Consumer marketing of purpose-driven brands requires experience based on occasion and channel. We can support you with high-caliber marketeers who are experts in both the alcoholic and the non-alcoholic segments. Sustainable promotional materials are now more than a tactic. We work with a blockchain and certification expert to ensure your recycled promotional materials are verified to reduce the risk of greenwashing. Moving to the third quadrant, consumer demand is best fulfilled by arranging efficient customer supply. Our shopper marketing expert has created category development processes and channel activation strategies to maximize on-shelf availability while reducing waste and cost. We have an industry negotiation expert and a highly qualified negotiation trainer. Both help you to win the right agreement. Our distribution partnership consultant and capability trainer can train your teams in revenue growth management and several other joint value creation tools. Our expert in sustainable supply chain works throughout the product delivery journey to secure shelf life, reduce waste, and reduce cost. Our customer care expert knows how to integrate feedback and improve service. In the final quadrant, progress is reported and strategy is agreed with the stakeholders. We have an associate skilled at CSR, ESG reporting in line with sustainable accounting standards, climate-related financial disclosures, and the World Economic Forum's sustainability metrics. We have an expert to support your investor-facing Dow Jones sustainability submissions, and an associate to guide your journey to achieve the consumer-facing B-Corp certification. Our water and environment hydrologists can sustainably develop, certify, and manage your water resources. Our ops team can report greenhouse gas emissions and normally reduce these levels as well. The right sustainability credentials should win you market share, and we have a consultant to ensure sustainable impact through marketing, innovation, and strategic partnerships. All your employees are stakeholders and ambassadors, and we have experienced organization and recruitment associates to ensure that you have the right people and the right organizational structure. Finally, our leadership consultants help your leaders to get ready to go around that business cycle all over again.
I hope our business cycle has shown you the areas where we can provide expertise from a network of consultants with specific industry experience. That experience and expertise is kept relevant through Zenith conferences, publications and reports. So if you have any areas of the business cycle which you'd like to improve or a consulting project which you'd like to discuss, please contact me on my email below, mroberts@zenithglobal.com. Thank you.